Hi, I'm Christy from Adventures in iSTEM, and I'm here with a quick 2-minute tip to help you transition from classroom learning to distance learning. For today's tip, I'm going to show you how to take your amazing resources in Google Drive and then upload them to your Microsoft OneDrive, because not everyone is a GAF school, Google Apps for Education. My sister lives in Washington, and so of course they are a Microsoft school. And so this is what you're going to do. You're going to click on the resource that you want to then move to your Microsoft OneDrive. You're going to come over to File. You're going to go to Download. And notice there's going to be the Microsoft version of that resource. So since this is Google Slides, the Microsoft version is Microsoft PowerPoint. So you're going to click on that, and that's going to download it to your computer. You will then go to Microsoft OneDrive, and in Microsoft OneDrive, you're going to click on Upload, Files. You will go to your downloads. You're going to click on it, and this will then upload it to your Microsoft OneDrive. And from there, you can share it with your students the way you normally would through your Microsoft.
Thank you for watching another Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond video. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more Adventures in iSTEM and Beyond videos. For more ideas on how to incorporate science, technology, and skills for life into your classroom, go to adventuresinistem.com.